The October Dinar, a historical overview. The October Dinar, introduced in Yugoslavia on 1 October 1993, marked a pivotal moment in the country's economic history. As part of a redenomination process, where 1 dinar equated to 100 para, this currency reform was the fourth of its kind, necessitated by hyperinflation and economic instability. This document explores the reasons behind the redenomination of the Yugoslav dinar, its historical significance, and the impact of the dissolution of Yugoslavia on its currency. Reasons for the redenomination of the Yugoslav dinar. The primary reason for the redenomination of the Yugoslav dinar was the rampant hyperinflation that plagued the country during the early 1990s. Following the breakup of Yugoslavia and the ensuing conflicts, the economy suffered tremendously, leading to a loss of confidence in the currency. By the time the October dinar was introduced, inflation had reached astronomical levels, with previous currency units losing their value at an unprecedented rate. The government aimed to stabilize the economy and restore public confidence in the national currency through this redenomination, which effectively wiped out 3 zeros from the previous dinar. Historical significance of the October dinar. The October dinar holds historical significance as it represented an attempt to regain economic control during a tumultuous period in Yugoslavia's history. The introduction of this new currency was not merely a financial maneuver but also a symbolic act of resilience amidst chaos. It was a response to the economic mismanagement and political instability that characterized the late 20th century in the region. The October dinar also served as a reminder of the challenges faced by the Yugoslav government in maintaining a unified economic policy in the face of national disintegration. Impact of the dissolution of Yugoslavia on its currency. The dissolution of Yugoslavia in the early 1990s had profound effects on its currency. As the federation fragmented into several independent states, each newly formed country began to establish its own monetary policies and currencies. The October dinar, while initially intended to stabilize the economy, quickly became obsolete as the political landscape changed. By the mid-1990s, various successor states, including Serbia and Montenegro, adopted their own currencies, further complicating the economic situation. The fragmentation of the currency system reflected the broader socio-political divisions within the region, leading to a lack of economic cohesion and contributing to ongoing instability. In conclusion, the October dinar was a significant attempt to address the economic crisis in Yugoslavia during a period of hyperinflation and political upheaval. Its introduction was a response to the urgent need for economic stabilization, but the subsequent dissolution of Yugoslavia ultimately led to the fragmentation of its currency system, highlighting the intricate relationship between politics and economics in the region.